Connectors allow us to connect Stadium applications to three kinds of external data sources: databases, file systems, and REST web services. To add a connector, we select New Database Connector under the Toolbar button or by right-clicking the connector node in the Application Explorer tree view. We then enter the connection info in the connection editor. When we save the editor, the database connection is created in the Application Explorer and we can add queries to it. We can generate simple CRUD queries for our tables when we right-click on a table in the SQL editor. The list of fields shows the data the query returns. We can create parameters in queries by prepending them with an @ sign. When we click the Fetch Fields button, the query updates and adds the parameter to the list. We run queries by dragging them into an event handler, like the click event handler of this button, for example. In the query properties, we define the values for query parameters. In the drop-down of the parameter, we can find control properties, page parameters, and other values we may want to use as inputs to our query. When the event handler executes, the query runs and returns data to the script. We can then use a setValue action to assign the data the query returns. The setValue action is used to assign a value to a target. In the drop-down of the target, we select control properties or script variables. And in the value drop-down, we can find all values accessible to the function, including the results of the query. When we preview the application, we will see how this works. When we enter a value in the text box and click the button, the click event handler runs the query with the text box value as a parameter, and then populates the label with the query result.